Did you know that there are machines so amazing they're performing heavy, repetitive, or nearly impossible jobs with a precision, strength, and innovation that many people don't even know about? Did you also know that there are machines so incredible they're revolutionizing common tasks in factories, workshops, and even in the countryside, and that very few people know about? In this video, you'll see how these real-life machines do their jobs with a precision and power that will amaze you. From cutting materials with millimeters of accuracy to performing complex processes without human intervention. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see is 100% real and is changing the way work is done around the world. Today, we're not going to talk about theories or futuristic ideas. Today, you're going to see real machines working in factories, workshops, farms, and industries. Machines that cut, mold, transport, package, lift, assemble, and transform. All right before your eyes. The most incredible thing is that many of these innovative technologies are already revolutionizing entire sectors, saving time, money, and effort on tasks that previously took hours or required entire teams of people. Stay until the end, because what you're about to see is not only impressive, it's also a window into the type of tools and machines that are changing the real world with real innovation, here and now. No science fiction, no gimmicks, just powerful technology in action. Implement real innovations that could make your work easier and improve your daily life. Train yourself to integrate technological innovation into your daily life. Learning how these machines work and the technology behind them will allow you to get the most out of them. There are many online courses and tutorials that can help you master these tools and innovate in your own work environment. Automate repetitive and tedious tasks to save time and energy. Identify which activities in your job or routine consume a lot of time without. Add value. Look for machines or systems that can handle those tasks, such as packaging, transport, or cutting, so you can focus on what's truly important. Invest strategically in technology that generates quick returns. Before purchasing, analyze which machine or technology can save you the most time or money in a short amount of time. This way, you'll avoid unnecessary expenses and see clear results that will motivate you to continue adopting innovation. A few years ago, I was stuck in an exhausting and frustrating routine. Every day seemed like a copy of the previous one, filled with heavy, repetitive, and monotonous tasks that consumed almost all of my energy and time. I worked long hours, felt like I was making very little progress, and couldn't meet my goals. I thought that to improve, I had to try harder, put in more hours, and work harder, but I ended up exhausted and unmotivated. I couldn't understand why other people seemed to achieve so much with less effort, while I remained stagnant. Then one day, while searching for solutions to break out of that vicious cycle, I stumbled upon something that would completely change the way I thought and worked. Technological innovation and incredible machines. At first, I thought all of this was only for large companies or tech experts, something complicated, expensive, and beyond my reach. But little by little, I discovered that wasn't the case. Innovation was much closer than I imagined, and there were accessible, simple, and effective machines that could facilitate many of my time-consuming tasks. First, I began researching how I could incorporate these technologies into my daily life and work. I learned that building a successful business didn't depend solely on personal effort, but also on knowing how to use the right tools. I didn't have to do everything myself. I could rely on technology to automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and save valuable time. Then I realized that a fundamental part of success is leadership, and that to lead well, I needed to delegate, not only to people, but also to machines. Technology and teamwork went hand in hand. While machines took care of mechanical or heavy tasks, I could focus on directing, planning, and motivating my team to achieve our goals. I learned to see technology as an ally, not a competitor. Then I decided to start small. Instead of investing in giant or expensive machines I didn't know how to use, I opted for simpler, more accessible devices specific to my needs. For example, I started with a cleaning robot for my workspace, and then added digital tools to organize and automate administrative processes. Each new machine or technology I incorporated brought visible improvements. Fewer errors, less time spent on tedious tasks, and more time to think about growth and strategy. Then, with that extra time and energy I regained, I focused on strengthening teamwork. With technology facilitating repetitive tasks, my team was able to collaborate better, share ideas, and make decisions more quickly. Communication improved, and the work environment became more dynamic and creative. The combination of innovation and human labor allowed our business to grow in a sustained and orderly manner. Finally, the biggest transformation was in my mindset. I stopped thinking of technology as complicated, inaccessible, or a way to cheat. I began to understand that innovation is a powerful tool to enhance what we do, not replace us. This freed me from unnecessary burdens and allowed me to focus on what truly adds value, creating, leading, and enjoying the process. Today I can say that decision changed my life. I was able to create a more efficient business with better leadership and a committed team, all supported by innovative machines and technologies that do the heavy lifting while we create and grow. And the best part is, you can do it too. No matter the size of your project or your technological knowledge, with the right mindset and the right tools, you can transform the way you work and live. So if you're feeling burned out, stuck in endless tasks, or simply want to improve and move forward, I invite you to explore these incredible machines and the innovation available to everyone. Learn, adapt, lead, and work as a team with technology on your side. The future is here, and it's time for you to be part of it. If this story inspired you and you want to discover how incredible machines and technology can transform your life and work, take a moment, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. Share it with your friends so more people can take advantage of these tools that truly make a difference. Also, click the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, where I'll show you more amazing innovations that will help you work better, faster, and with less effort. After integrating these machines and technologies into my daily life, I felt a profound change. The heavy workload became manageable, and what had previously seemed impossible was now just a matter of time and strategy. I learned that innovation not only accelerates processes, but also enhances leadership and teamwork. At that moment, I understood that the true revolution isn't in the machines themselves, but in how we use them to create, collaborate, and grow together. And that was the spark that ignited a whole new path to success. If you were amazed by everything you saw today, imagine what's coming in the next videos. Here you'll discover more incredible machines, innovations that are changing the real world, and practical tips so you can take advantage of them too. Don't miss out, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss anything, because the best is yet to come, and I'm sure that together we can take your productivity and creativity to the next level. See you in the next video.